Ooh, 4. Yes, we got the miner for 500 gold. Yes. But yeah.
Let's go.
Yes.
25, anything. Here we go.
We don't care what you drop. Drop another miner. Go ahead.
One.
That's amazing.